Do you lose 20 minutes every campaign tweaking the same email? Save a Klaviyo template in just 7 simple clicks. We'll start in Content, open Templates, hit Create, pick New Template, hit Create again, then Preview and Finish. Go ahead and click on Content. Then click on Templates to continue. Now, click on Create to start. Then click on New Template. Click Create again to proceed. Click on Preview to see your template. Finally, click Done. And that's it for creating an email template in Klaviyo. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.